Hello. Nifty remained range bound in the last truncated week. However, in last week it witnessed a strong recovery, but in last week follow-off was missing in the market. Week on week basis, Nifty closed with the gains of only 35 points. However, the follow-off was missing on both the side, and it has been moving in between broader trading range of 10,450 to 10,650 zone from last 6 trading session. Looking at the volatility index, that fell down comparatively. Recently the VIX made high near to 22.82 and in last week it closed near to 17.75. So decline in the volatility has given some short-term stability in the market, but VIX says to go below 16, then only the further smooth ride could be seen, otherwise restricted upside may continue to be in the market as of now. Looking at the options database, the option beta as of now signifies an immediate trading range between 10,450 to 10,650, but the way fresh call writing is seen at 10,700 and 10,800 strike, the resistance are likely to shift slightly on the lower side. In the last week, market was more of in the cheerful festival mood, volume were comparatively lower, and stock specific action was seen from selective results counter. However, selective auto counter witnessed some recovery from the lower levels as per the outcome of their auto sales number, but again the follow-up is required and that is missing at higher levels. Looking at the FIs and DIs data flow, that was also the lackluster and not major meaningful data from their front, as major participation was missing in Indian market to the tune of the festival season. Now looking at the market sentiment for the next week, the index has got stuck in between 10,450 to 10,650 zone from last 6 trading session. Recently it made bottom near to 10,000 zone and spiked to 10,650 kind of level, but the follow-up is missing. However, the decline is being bought, but follow-up is missing, and that is the reason that upside could be restricted in the market. As of now, 10,450 is an immediate support. If that support is broken, then the downside could open, which may take it to 10,333, 10,300 level. While if manages to hold 10,450, then we may see continue to be in positive to range bound bias with an upside move towards 10,650 kind of level. So 10,450 is likely to act as a key level for the Nifty index. Now talking about the Bank Nifty, the rate sensitive index was moving in between 25,500 to 25,900 levels. It formed a small bodied doji candle on the last week, which indicates the indecisiveness. But the important part is last week it witnessed a strong bullish engulfing pattern, and then a small doji indicates that follow-up is missing at higher levels. So that follow-up is required in the market. As of now, the immediate support for the Bank Nifty is 25,500. If cross and hold about 25,900, then only the fresh leg of rally could be seen. Otherwise, the lackluster move or the consolidative range could be seen in between 25,500 to 25,900. On downside, if 25,500 is not respected, then this level could open towards 25,250, 25,000 kind of levels. So both the indices, Nifty and Bank Nifty, has got stuck in a range. Follow-up is missing at higher levels. It has to respect 10,450 in the Nifty and 25,500 in the Bank Nifty to extend the positive momentum. Thanks. Have a great time.